guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this bomb wig that I got from Wiggins. This wig is so pretty. So if you guys are interested on how I laid this wig, how I applied it, because this wig came like this, I did not dye it, I didn't do nothing to it but apply it to my head. And honestly, I can definitely say this wig is one for the books. If you guys are interested in this wig, just keep watching. So I'm going to be applying this wig from Wiggins. This wig actually came like this. I didn't color it, I didn't do nothing to it but curl it. So I'm going to be doing the glueless method. I've been loving doing glueless method for my wigs just because, like, sometimes the glue is a lot and it is a lot to take off. In case you guys are wondering how I got the curls, I use my wand to curl it, and I'll try to link it in the description down below for you guys. So I am going to apply this unit, and I'm definitely going to use the combs to secure it so they could actually be in place, but you guys can see how it looks. It looks really good, but tinting the lace is going to be our first step. And I'm going to take my Revlon Color Stay in the number 450. If you're my skin tone, I highly suggest you doing that. Using like a darker shade versus a lighter shade, because it just blends better in my opinion. I got this idea from my friend Ashley and I've never went back. So I'm just gonna flip it this way and then I'm just gonna start tinting it. It's so important to tint your lace because we want our laces to look good, so we don't want to be having them lace that would see through. Unless it's HD. Even with HD lace, I highly suggest you tinting that as well, because you don't want it to look, you know, not match your skin tone. Because I think HD lace comes in like different colors, so you do have to tint it. So I'm just going to tint it. I feel like I'm talking too much. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside, Okay, so now that the wig is on, I glued the perimeters just so it could be super secure, but I only use one layer of glue. I'm just gonna stop playing with the baby hair. I'm not really gonna do what I normally do with the baby hair, like curl it and stuff, because I don't know, I'm just not in the mood for that. Just gonna do like a slight, some soupy doop. I need this wig like a bob as well, honey. This is just so stinking cute. So I'm not really going to play too much with this side of my hair. Actually, I can. I'm just going to lay it down some more. hold this. Like enough baby hair to cover the tab like that. So now that I see where I want it to be, I'm gonna take my razor. I'm just gonna cut it. And then I'm just gonna take spritz. I'm just gonna finesse the baby hair a bit. That's cute. Yeah, that's hot. Let's just take this. I'll move this back. I'm just gonna do my baby hair, so I'm just gonna cut the area that I want. And I am doing it in sections just because it's easier for me that way. hair looks. This wig is super bomb. This is Wiggins hair. I'm gonna link it in the description down below because y'all need this wig in y'all collection. It is so pretty. It already comes naturally waved, but I did use like a wand curl to wave it some more, but it is literally giving Jessica Rabbit. It is so full. I think it's 180% density. I'm not sure. I will put a cue card for you guys, or I'll put like a little swipe up thing for you, a swipe over thing for you guys to check out all the deets to this wig. It is literally the cutest wig. I don't think I have a wig like this and I haven't had burgundy hair in my collection for a minute, but we are going into fall, so I feel like this wig is just like so perfect for fall. I did do the glueless method, but then I did add some glue to some parts because I wanted it to lay down for like a day or two. But yeah, this wig is super nice. I do have it in the 26-inch. I will turn it around for you guys so you guys can see how long it is. This wig is super bomb, super full, super pretty. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this unit, I am gonna link it in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Also, comment what you like about this wig. Do you guys like it on me? Is it cute? Would you want one of these? Anyways guys, I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.